Hello everyone friends, on Kalawala. Today I will show you how to fix the web page unavailable error in the Google Chrome browser. To do this, you can first try to go to the network settings. We write here. Network connections, yes, network connections. Choosing, in my case this is my port. Choosing, right? Or choose Wi-Fi. Try disabling IP version 6. And so try to go to the site. If that doesn't help, then come back here. Select IP version 4 properties and use Google DNS. We write here 888844. Click OK and try to connect like this. If that doesn't work, you'll need to make sure you have either VPN or DNS disabled. That's it. Or if you have it turned off, try to turn it on, try to log in with a DNS server or a VPN here. Well, this can be done by simply writing a search for VPN settings, yes, VPN settings, and disabling everything here. If you have any connections with DNS, it's about the same. Write DNS here. Here, there are not even settings for DNS. They are hidden somewhere in the network settings. But if you are, well, here is the proxy, and accordingly disable the proxy. That's it. If this does not help, and you are sure that your site should work, the only thing left is to reset the network. To do this, write a network reset. Go in and click reset. That's it. You can get here via the internet, advanced network settings and network reset, and click reset. That's all. Walla was with you. Bye everyone.